This is Great Uncle John's tool chest back in the day when they had it on a horse-drawn wagon. And he worked with his father, great-grandfather Johann from Sweden. He was known as Carpentry John in the Apopka and Piedmont area of Florida. There's a house in Sanford that they built and was moved once to keep from being torn down, but I couldn't tell you the address. Might have done some barbecuing out there on the job site. And, maybe caught something to barbecue while they were working. Oh, see, my father was a collector, so it looks like he added something to the mix in here. Some stuff. Sharpening stone, slide rule, excuse me. Putting a hot mark on something. And, excuse me. I don't think that exact Craftsman knife was from back then. Depth gauge. Another, whoops. Excuse me, there's the, don't know. I don't know. Aluminum parts were coming back in. Back in the day, threading. My grandfather had a machine shop. This could have got borrowed out of there. Another wood shaver. And a couple of concrete edging tools. This is some sort of a crimping device. Oops. And that's for shaving the point on the end of a piece of wood. Now this is some kind of pliers. That's a fancy handle. That's a door handle. That's a hex-headed screwdriver handle. threading a bolt and a wood boring tool, angle. That's Sargent US. Compass on one of those. A hole punch or something like that. Good luck. That's cute. Open end wrench and a little pipe wrench. Okay. All right. Now we'll get the lid on. And I had to bring this from a garage in the city where it has spent many wonderful years out to the barn in the country. And the lid with the crosscut saws in it. Thing is, my father knew all about these tools and a whole bunch of others, but you know, when the old ones go, they take that database with them. I imagine John made this chest himself. This is the sea chest that my great-grandfather brought from Sweden in 1871. Him and his wife were already 33 years old when they came over, you know, because it was not good times in Sweden for poor folks at that time. And I imagine he made this himself too. Oh, that's another old-timer stuff in there. But